Hello friends, today we would like to discuss about such a wonderful and omnipotent product that Saarvasri Herbs has introduced only for you. And that is none other than Saarvasri's premium Shpl all-in-one juice. So let us discuss about why we should take this daily as a health rejuvenator. In modern times, we have to be compelled with consuming food, oxygen and water with greater contamination of pollutants, and as a result, our body is attacked by toxic substances which are not at all desirable. These dangerous toxic elements do not bring any vitamins and minerals, and we cannot resist ourselves to intake such pollutants. Though we feel to detoxify our body regularly, but we failed. During this crucial condition, we desire to maintain our optimum health, and due to this, we have to intake some antioxidant properties with the help of fruits and vegetables. But we all know that today all market fruits and vegetables are contaminated with harmful chemicals and toxic elements. So, to maintain healthy cells, tissues, organs, and systems of our body, we need essential nutrients from food supplements to detoxify and maintain the optimum health condition of our body. That is why Shpl has introduced premium Shpl all-in-one juice with 21 miraculous Indian fruits and foreign berries loaded with super antioxidants and nutritional properties, as it has draksha, bahunetra, sinchitaka, kadali, dadima, kasambam, green apple, strawberry, grapeseed extract, acai berry, blueberries, cranberry, blackberry, gooseberry, mulberry, dewberry, bayberry, bilberry, beerberry, crowberry, and sea buckthorn in it to make this juice powerful and omnipotent product. It is a super antioxidant and immunity booster juice that keeps you healthy. If you consume Shpl juice daily, it will strengthen your immune system, will strengthen your nervous system, and reduces the effects of diabetes. It protects your cells and will protect you from free radicals and also reduces the risk of cancer. It also provides essential oils while avoiding viruses and bacterial infections. It also reduces swelling in the body and increases your vision. It strengthens your cell membrane and increases protein metabolism in your body. Your heart becomes stronger and it will look after your prostate and fights cellular mutation. It is very helpful to take care of your skin and your hair health. So let us know how to consume premium Shpl all-in-one juice. For children who are 3 years of age or older, you can give this tonic 1 spoon 2 times in a day. And for adults, taking 15 ml in an empty stomach in the morning and 15 ml after 2 hours of dinner are as recommended by the experts. So start using premium Shpl all-in-one juice immediately to achieve your ultimate health goals.